Good morning, everyone. Hope you had a great weekend. I know that I took some time and relaxed. I hope that you did too. Hopefully you are not stressing out about the work that was being done in this class. I know that last week the Microsoft Teams program was very challenging for a lot of us, including myself, trying to get things working, and know that it is nobody's fault. Microsoft is just not working with all these people on it. So I went ahead and took some steps to try to make sure that you would be successful in opening content, working on it, and then turning it back in, and what to do if you can't get that to work. And so I'm going to kind of go over today's work and then talk about anything from last week. All right, so today, first and foremost, make sure you check the Start Here post. It'll look like this in red when I put it down here. Make sure you look at that, watch this video even more than once if you need to, so you know what you're doing. The second thing you'll need to do is go to assignments and download the weekly lesson outline for 4.6 to 4.10. So for this one, you can go in here. I'll show you the student view. Click on the dots, and if you click download, it should download a copy to your computer. You won't be able to edit this, but you should be able to copy it to your computer and use it every single day. If you can't get it from here, it's right here in Focus. Everybody has it. You can just click it, download it, have it. Okay? So we'll go back to Teams. Now, once you get that file open, it'll look like this. You'll see that it says take the daily attendance quiz. Then it says watch the video, how to use Teams in Science. All right, favorite that link so you can go back to it. Take the how to use Teams in Science quiz so I know that you know what's going on. And then begin the evaporation lab design challenge, which isn't due until next Wednesday. I will give you more time during class time to work on this, so don't think that you have to get it all done in the next few days or even by the end of the week. You will have time next week as well to work on it. And I will discuss this during your live lessons. So period 2, you have a live lesson today. We will discuss this in detail today. All right. And then make sure you do the wrap-up quiz. I don't know if I put a wrap-up quiz on there, so if I don't have one, don't worry about it. All right, so I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to tell you again that if you can't get this how to use Teams in Science page to work, I know some people are having issues still, you can go to Focus, and it has the link inside the document. Work on the document, answer the questions, upload it back in here, okay? That's what I'll be looking for. Now, as far as last week's work, okay, this is what I'm looking for last week's work. I am looking for 3 things. All right, and these are the 3 things here. I'm looking that you could get into Flipgrid and do your Flipgrid, and the assignment directions are on there. Okay. I am looking that you did the water is essential questions. If you uploaded them into Teams and you know that you turned it in and it was complete, I have seen it and I have made note that you've turned it in. If not, and you couldn't get Teams to work, download it here, finish it, upload it back into Focus. Okay. And I'm also looking for the properties of water essay from last week. So again, if you couldn't get it to work in Teams, download it here, do the work, upload it into here. Okay. Any missing assignments, I want uploaded into Focus right now. Okay. I will have your grades in hopefully by the end of tomorrow. But I want anything from last week to be put into Focus if possible. Anything from this week, right? This how to use Teams in Science, this weekly lesson plan, evaporation challenge, all of that stuff, I have it in here, but I want you to try to use Teams first. And the how to use Teams in Science video will show you exactly what I want. Okay. So make sure that you follow this outline. Okay. Turn in any missing work from last week, and then have a great Monday. I will be available throughout the day if you need me. Thanks.